Bumalik ako sa timbangan. Did you call my shop manager?
So your manager is paying you for credit card?
Yeah. Hopefully
you're
not.
not getting a ticket.
Okay.
No, there's no ticket.
Okay.
No, you're too nice for the person.
Thank you, sir. Just gonna write everything in there and just gonna leave the pictures to you.
Yep, I'll give the official document notice you can send it to the boss. I'll have the location for you.
So this one has to be replaced right now or probably later? Okay.
Not right now.
Okay, that one
So-
only. That's the one.
That one, yes. Yeah, 100%. That one can explode on you at some point.
Yes, sir. I'm grateful that you called me over. Otherwise, I might kill someone.
Well, hopefully not.
No, hopefully not. Hopefully not. I might gonna get an accident or worse, you know. Because that one will explode, will fall to other people.
Yep. Not good. Okay, I'll be right back.
Yes, sir. Okay. Guys. Okay, the camera. Are you okay with my camera? No, why? I thought that you're going to take time for 3 hours. That's what my shop manager said.
So it's gonna take 3 hours?
Yeah. No.
Well, it's about an hour and a half from our shop.
Oh, I was not sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been pulled over by the police in here. They scared. The one is in here.
Yeah.
And they see this issue here. It's probably, I'm gonna move a little, okay? You see it? No. Oh yeah, it's right there underneath. Oh yeah. I'm gonna move a little and let me know, okay?
So you can stay here.
Oh, you got it? Okay, yeah.
Yeah,
You don't need to see it, right?
This one right here?
Yeah, the one.
Good. Yeah, I'm just gonna back up, get some information off your truck.
Yeah, sure.
And you'll
Let
be
me
all
know.
good.
Yeah. I'm just doing a little exercise. That's why you see me.
You do your thing, man.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright.
It won't take long, right?
At like an hour at
Hopefully.
most.
Okay. Yeah, for sure. No problem.
Alright, man.
Okay. What else you need?
Let me look.
Yeah, sure. Magbubot kasi ako, guys. Kita nyo. Kaysa naman antayin ko sila na.
You're all good, man. You can do what you gotta do.
Okay. You gonna do your thing too? Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Alright, okay. Ayan guys. Ayan siya. Ewan ko saan galing. Where have you been? Abad? Where is your location? It looks like you come from Labs. What is
Yeah,
that?
Love's 301 out in Post Falls.
Oh, that's far.
Yeah, about an hour 40.
Oh yeah, the Labs and then the Flying J, right? Side
Yeah,
by side?
It's the same place. Pretty
Okay.
Same spot, yeah.
Yeah, because I see it's Labs, so yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, well, thank you.
Yeah, man.
Okay. Ayan guys, abangan ko na lang siya. Tatapusin na lang niya ito. Patuloy ko yung exercise ko. Siya nang bahalang gumawa niyan. Tapos, pagkatapos nito guys, syempre, dadaan ulit ako sa timbangan kasi wala naman akong ibang dadaanan. Kasi yung police doon sa previous video natin, sinabihan niya ako, pwede kang pumunta sa truck stop, sabi sa akin. Pero hindi ako pwedeng pumunta lagpas nila. Dito lang talaga, para pag bumalik ako doon, I'm sure, yung skill na yan, bukas pa rin. Talagang aabangan ako ng mga yan. Kasi lapit lang mula dito tayo hanggang doon. Nakita nyo sa previous video vlog natin, wala pang 1 kilometro let us do his thing. Tapos mamaya matatapos na niya, gawin na niya lahat yan. Siya nang bahala dyan. But anyway, right, let's go, let's finish our workout here. Kasi ako yung tao guys na hindi ako naghihintay. Ayoko yung maghintay sa mga ganyan, mga ganitong pagkakataon. I will take the chances kaysa naman mag-antay ako dyan for what? Nagtanga rito, hihiga. Palakas na lang tayo para sa health natin. Yung issue, ibang issue yan. Ang health natin, ibang issue rin. Kaya isa-isa lang. May gagawa na sa thriller. Exercise naman tayo para sa ating health. Pag uwi ko ng Winnipeg, magpapalit na talaga ako ng gulong ko. Ayan guys, kasi nakatanggap din ako ng reimbursement sa GST ko from Canada. Almost 1,600, tama-tama yun. Brand new tire ang papagawa natin. Brand new tire ang papapalit ko sa dalawang gulong ko kasi winter din naman na. Kailangan natin palitan. Anyway, patuloy natin to. So ayan, tapos na tayo mag-exercise. Tinapos ko na. Ayan. ginagawa pa rin. Almost done na siguro to. Labs. Easy peasy. How long you been doing this?
3 months.
3 months?
Yeah.
Oh, you're new.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, so that's the new one.
Yeah, that's a new one.
Yeah. Oh, that's an easy job.
Seems like it.
Seems like it, yeah. Ganyan lang pala ang mga diskartehan. As long as you have a lot of equipment, there's no you want that hard, right?
What's up?
I said as long as you have a lot of equipment, it wasn't that too hard.
Nah.
Yeah. Alright. Linagyan nyo ng jack kanina, pero wala na, nalis na yung jack. Meron sila na hanggang sa ilalim ng jack. May jack siya, hindi natin gagalawin kasi baka mamaya bumigay yan eh. Baktay tayo, at least kahit pa paano ito ginagawa. Easy peasy na yan. Is that tire still good for casing? You think he'll still be able to get a case? No?
Yeah, once you see those wires, you can't case them.
So as long as you see the wire, you can't case anymore. So you cannot give
Yeah, I mean, if the whole tire looked like this, you could. But as soon as you see
as you see the wire, no.
Yeah, no.
It's a garbage now.
Garbage, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
And are you taking that with you?
No, you can take it with you.
I'm getting rid of it? All
Yeah.
right.
Get rid of it, yeah. So yun yung kito. What is this? It's a brand new one?
Yeah.
It's a recap.
Recap, yeah, not brand new, but
Oh, it's recap, okay. Yeah. When it comes to trailer, we don't need the brand new one. Recap is okay.
yeah.
Recap 22.5 yan, tama yung gulong natin. So ayan ang 11R 22.5. Baka mamaya malaki pa itong ilalagay nila. Ito 11R 22.5 parehas. Alright, ayan lang muna natin siya magtrabaho dyan. Mag-relax muna tayo sa truck. So guys, balikan natin. Tignan natin ang status update. Almost.
Go ahead.
Almost.
I'm running into trouble because the tire's narrow.
Okay.
It doesn't want to seat on this because there's so much. It shouldn't be able to do that. So,
I guess you guys just gonna need to put air, I guess. Put
that's what I'm trying to do. Woo!
put air first and then it will see. Oh,
Yeah, we see.
okay. So what is that now? Oh, so rim is small or what? May problema pa sa rim yata. Huh? You think rim is small? Or they're the same size?
It should work. I don't know why it's so loose. So I'm just trying to
Figure it out.
pretty much. So,
because you cannot put air in it because this one here,
yeah.
because there's a
Yeah, I can't put air in it. It's,
yeah. Why is it? So the size that I told to my shop manager is 22.11. What is it? 22.5. They're the same.
yeah.
Yeah. 11R 22.5. Yeah. And this is 11. Ulitin ulit natin. Right there. 11R 22.5, right?
Yep.
Why is it this thing?
I don't know.
You don't have anything else? No tire?
Huh?
You don't have any other tire?
Nope, just that one.
Oh shit. So what we gonna do about that? We just gonna go back?
I'm gonna try to get this one on, but if I can't, then I'll have to go
Okay. Oh my god. Oh
back.
shit, man.
Shitty situation.
It's a shitty yeah, you're right. You said it's a shitty situation, yeah. Oh my, bakit kaya hindi kasya? Patay na. Ayan, dapat ilagay mo muna yan dyan sa loob. Tignan natin. Kaya pala hindi na flat yun guys, kahit may butas, kasi meron ito ang naglalagay ng gulong doon. Kahit anong gawin mo, hindi kasi yan. Malaki yung maliit yung rim, right? Maliit yung rim. May problema rin yung pagkakabit guys. Okay na guys. So bali ang ginawa niya, sinyak niya. Meron siyang equipment na yun. Equipment niya. Tapos binuga niya dito. Yung may usok pa nga yun yun. Kasi itong gulong na to bago, piping-pipi ito siguro. Kaya medyo lumilit siya. Pero nung nalagyan ng hangin, nag-expand. You're doing a great job.
Thank you, man.
Yeah.
Appreciate
Also, I thought that I thought it's not gonna fit.
I know. I was kind of getting worried too.
Yeah.
I didn't want to have to drive all the way back.
Oh, yeah,
For no reason.
Yeah, they're not gonna charge you for. They're not gonna pay you for that. It's your fault, that one. If you're gonna go there.
My fault.
Yeah. Hindi na siya babayaran ng top yan kasi sinabi ko naman yung tamang size Siya ang may kasalanan. Pero nagawa niya ng paraan kasi shinak lang naman niya. Galing din 3 months na daw siyang ganito Now you have experience now.
I've had this happen a bunch. But usually I'm like 5 minutes from the shop.
Okay.
So this happens a lot.
Oh, this happened a lot? Oh, it's not that new to you.
Yeah, that cheetah, the thing that pushes the air, sucks.
Oh yeah?
Kind of broken, yeah.
Oh, okay. Alright. Tapos aantayin ko na lang guys. Tapos tara na ulit. Lapit na to. Okay. So we're uploading this into YouTube, okay?
You're good, man.
You're good?
I don't care.
You don't care? Okay, what's your name?
I'm gonna be watching it later.
Okay, what's your name?
Connor.
Connor.
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice to meet you, Connor. It's Lakay Tracker here. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, taga-Post Falls guys. Parang bata pa to. 100 piece. It's all good. Hindi natin kailangan pa ng yan kasi meron din naman to Meron siyang magre-refill din siya ng hangin Maganda pala yan kapag may ganyan ka. Pretty much. I guess kumuha ka ng yelo. Palamig din naman tayo sa that's pretty much it. It's properly done. Tapos na niya yata. Done?
I just gotta torque it.
Oh, almost. So that's the jack? Okay.
And then clean up, paperwork, and then yeah.
Alright, for sure, man.
Yeah, man, so about like probably like
Yeah.
10 minutes.
Yeah, wasn't that too... Yeah. They're good? Okay. 10 minutes siya. Okay, antayin ko na lang siya doon guys. Tapos na niyan na ikabit. Check natin, baka lagnat. Hindi. May nawalang lagnat. Mahirap na. Ayan. Siyempre, tao lang din naman. Nagkakamali. Yes. Tayo ko rito kasi papilatos na. Next paperwork is next. Bayaran para may submit natin sa torque. I'm just gonna put this in the video so that I know. Okay, so are you giving me an invoice?
Do you want an email of the invoice?
Did you call my shop manager?
So your manager is paying with it for credit card?
Yeah.
We already have his name,
Information.
authorization number, all of his
Okay,
information.
so you don't need it.
On saying, Liz, do you want an email, like your personal email?
Look, it's for them, so I don't mind. So how much it costs?
I think. Let me double check.
Yeah, how much it costs on that thing? Including everything that you guys come here, all the travel, it's around how many hours you drive? 150 kilometers?
I think in total, I think it's around 4 hours total.
Okay, yeah.
And then obviously for the tire, the labor, I think it was a little under $1,000. It was like 900 something.
Oh, okay,
Which
900.
I can double check.
900 USD, yeah.
Yeah, 985.42.
985 for you. Okay. As long as they got it, you send it to them?
Yep.
Okay, I don't need that copy.
No,
Okay,
you
as
don't
long
need it?
Yeah, I don't need it. But as long as you send it to them, then I don't need that copy because this.
Yeah, no, they're paying for it, so you're all good.
Okay. All right, my friend.
Alright,
Have a
man.
good day. Have a blessed day. Have a blessed Sunday. Okay.
man,
We're gonna
you
check
too.
out your YouTube. We're gonna check out this YouTube. Just wait for it.
Oh, I
okay.
will. I
okay.
will.
All right.
Alright,
Okay.
man, have a good one.
You too. Alright guys, ayan. Tara na. Minabot na rin tayo ng ano rito. So, before ako aalis, inabot tayo ng 3 hours and 27 minutes. I'm just gonna give them a call first before you leave, okay? They want me to ask you invoice, then you probably email me. But once if they said that I'm all good to go, then all good to go.
Alright, man.
Yeah, I'm
you
just
do your
gonna-
thing.
Yeah. Hello sir. Yes, it's finished now. So invoice, you got the invoice. I don't need the copy.
Yeah.
Okay, so I don't need to ask them for a copy.
No.
Okay.
I'll get one electronically.
All right, sir. Okay, thank you. Okay, and now I'm good to go now. But I'm still going to pass that scale in there because the scale is still open. Of course, they put me into the trailer is cannot move until it's not get fixed. So I have to pass over there. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, sir. Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, man. Have a good one.
You too. I guess let's go. Okay na yung ginawa niya. Sana wala nang problema. Tara guys. Okay, so alis na siya. Yeah. Dadaanan ulit natin yan. Timbangan nila dyan. Sana walang problema yung timbangan. Hindi tayo mag-pullover dyan sa timbangan. Inabot din tayo ng matagal-tagal. Matagal-tagal din yan, yo. 3 oras at kalahati. Lapit ko na yung mga snack ko para hindi na ako problema. Tara. Hopefully walang problema. Hopefully hopefully wala nang problema, hindi na tayo ma-out of service. Dito tayo sa kabila. Malalaman naman natin guys kung bukas pa yung timbangan eh. Bukas pa sigurado yan kasi inaabangan ako ng mga yan eh. Hindi ako pwedeng mag-drive na hindi ito titignan at titignan pa rin yan. Malapit lang dito, open nakita natin, nandun yung timbangan open. Bukas pa rin. Kaya kadadaan pa rin tayo dyan sa timbangan. Hindi pwedeng hindi tayo dumaan dyan sa timbangan. Ayan guys, open. Lagay ko yung aking open ng timbangan lapit lang dito.
Hamilton Boulevard East, Erie, Alberta. Continue on US 2.
Mula dito hanggang sa dideliveran natin 6 to 7 hours pa. Depende pa yan sa traffic at saka kurba-kurba dyan. Baka gabi na ako makarating doon. Pero bukas naman ang delivery. Kaya walang problema. Okay. Lahat ng mga truck galing doon timbangan. Raw vlog na naman ito guys. Sana wala na silang makita kasi galing naman na tayo, inspection na tayo lahat.
In 3/4 of a mile, turn right on Bonfire Loop, then take the first left.
Inspection sila ngayon kahit yung nandun in-inspection din. Baka pahintuin na naman tayo kaya kailangan natin huminto. Tanyo guys, lapit lang dito $28. Okay, wala, hindi nila ako pinahinto. Didiretso na tayo. Hindi na nila ako pinahinto hindi nila sinabing stop kaya diretso. Diretso.
At the end of the street,
Okay.
turn right.
Let's go. Diretso na tayo, diretso. Hindi na nila tayo pinull over. Alright guys. Tapos border crossing na tayo.
Turn right on US 95.
Police. Oh, let's go guys. Next stop is Kingsgate.
Continue on US 95.
Alright guys, ayan, officially we are now here in Canada. Ayan, nakita namin today is the 6th. Ayan. Oh, thank you Lord. Tago ko muna ito, baka mawala pa. Thank you Lord at nakatawid tayo ng Canada na walang problema. Buhayin ko lang yung reaper ko tapos alis na tayo guys. Alright guys, tuloy-tuloy na tayo. Okay, putulin ko na video vlog natin guys. Thank you for watching, mag-ingat kayo lagi. Ayan. So, ugaliin natin mag pre-trip para alam na natin agad-agad ang problema pagka dumating man. At kailangan natin pilapaan yung ating ito, huwag mong kakalimutan. Kasi pag nakalimutan mo to at nagkaroon ng problema, nahuli ka, dito kanila dadalihin. So paano guys, thank you for watching, mag-ingat kayo lagi. I love you all at salamat sa panonood. Ingat lagi, peace out, bye bye.
Lakai Tracker.